Mazda Radar Cruise Control and Cruising Traffic Support are two very important systems in the Mazda CX-60 safety offerings. To get Mazda Radar Cruise Control started, press MRCC on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. Next, you need to accelerate to your desired speed, between 0 km per hour and 200 km per hour. Press the RES switch up or down to lock in the desired constant speed. The vehicle will now maintain the chosen speed when the roadway is clear, but will automatically accelerate and decelerate based on the behavior of the vehicles ahead. To resume MRCC driving from a standstill in stop-and-go traffic, you just need to press the accelerator pedal or the RES switch. There are many options to adjust the system. You can change speed in 1 km per hour increments by pressing the RES switch up or down. If you hold the switch, the speed is adjusted in 10 km per hour increments. You may want to adjust the distance between your Mazda CX-60 and the vehicle ahead. You can do that by switching the cancel button up or down. MRCC can be temporarily canceled by pressing the brake pedal or pressing the cancel switch. If you want to resume it just as before, you only need to press the RES switch once again. And to turn off the system completely, press the MRCC switch. Cruising traffic support works in a very similar way. The steering assist function becomes active if the vehicle is traveling below 150 km per hour and with clear road markings. For lower speed traffic below 50 km per hour, the CX-60 will also follow a vehicle in front. This helps to keep the vehicle in the center of the lane. To activate this function, press the CTS button on the right side of the steering wheel. As you can see, both systems are easy to use and are a great support in daily traffic.